This is something which would never happen with skates. My bike lock got jammed and I will have to cut it to get my bike free and be able to cycle to work on days when I cannot skate due to the rainy weather. Yeah, it's like this for a week now. I have Kryptonite Evolution Series 4 lock and I will use the electric grinder to cut it through. So this is the lock itself. Soon it's gonna be cut open. As you can see, the lock is completely jammed. I tried different things for the period of last week because it's been like this for at least a week now. So I tried WD-40, I tried concentrated vinegar even recently. Nothing seems to be working on this, so the only way to open this and get my bike free is to just cut it. Let's prepare tools and see how it goes. I'm pretty pleased with the results. It took me around 3 minutes to cut through one side, and then second side took around 6 minutes because I had little bit more difficult access to this side. It was very noisy also, so the tips for parking your bike would be to park it in the way that access to the lock is restricted, at least from one side, and in place where there is a lot of people around, so if someone would use a grinder to cut it, probably people will notice it and alarm police. Hopefully this will never happen to me or you, but yeah, bikes get stolen, so keep safe.